LogMeOnce tutorial on the browser extension menu. What this is the little icon in the top of your browser. You'll find it here and it's going to look like something like this. When you click on this, the menu I'm referring to is the menu here, this 3-line smart menu, underneath of your icon in your browser. You're going to see lots of options, and I'm going to explain those to you here in this video. So first off, the password manager. If you're not already there, you can click on this and it'll take you directly to your password manager. Next, the recently used. When you click on this is going to show you recently used websites you've logged into with LogMeOnce, so you can quickly go to those. The import passwords is if you want to import your passwords that you have from Chrome, from Firefox, from Safari, or any other browser you've been using, or you can import it from a file if you've saved it perhaps from another password manager or another browser, and you can import your passwords to LogMeOnce. You can also export your passwords from LogMeOnce in case you want to save them to your desktop or to your device. Secure Backup and Restore is going to give you the ability to create a secure backup and save it to the LogMeOnce drive. You'll also find Send Logs to Support, and by this you can send a note to support in case you want to make note of something. Maybe there's a bug, maybe there's a new feature you want. You can send a direct message to LogMeOnce support with this box. Finally, you'll see About LogMeOnce, and you can check your version, you can get updates, and you can see everything that's current right now in your version of LogMeOnce. And finally, you'll also see the Logout icon in case you want to log out of your account. In your browser extension menu, you'll also find a few other buttons. One is the Notifications button, and you'll see a little circle here if you have notifications about what might have happened in your account recently, and you can go through and check those off if you have new ones and clear them. The calculator icon is going to generate a password for you. Say you're opening up a new account on a website or creating a profile somewhere, or just want to update a password that you have on an app or a website. Click on the calculator icon, and that's going to generate a password for you. And you can set the length, you can set the styling of it, what to include in it, and very quickly get a strong password. The other button is the Home button, which is going to take you home to your password manager. And then finally you have the Smart menu with the additional options located quick and easily for you to be able to customize your account even further. So that is the browser extension menu of LogMeOnce. Thank you for watching.